Last 2 days I was very much sick and I didn't do anything. So that was the reason I was not able to post any videos. So yesterday was an expiry, and next, as usual, you know what we do is on the next day of expiry, on the next day of new series, we share our profit and loss account with our subscribers. And this is going to be my last profit and loss account which I am going to share with you. The reason is you will know at the end of this video. Hello traders, this is Umar with you and welcome to yet another video. So how much did we make? So if you see this month, or if you see in my speech itself, if you see our previous video itself, so many people would have predicted. So I was very much negative. I was very, I was not very much in a positive mood, right? So as usual, you see what happened is we made a profit of just 2,125 rupees, and the total charge is around 11,634 rupees, and net realized loss is around 9,500 rupees, right? So this is what has happened in the market. So every month there is no necessity you will have to make money in the market every month. Sometimes you will have to give to the market also. So in the month of August, if you see 4th August, I made a loss of around 70,000, and in 25th of August, I made a loss of 55,000. Then I made 5,000. On the start of this month, I made a loss of 18,000. Starting itself, I started with the loss only. So all the way till all the way till yesterday, we were making only, we were trying to just recover the losses which we made. That is the amount of volatility we were experiencing in the market, right? So let me tell you, after seeing this thing, you must understand that with confidence I will tell you, and many people joke whenever I tell market is moving on the opposite direction as I predicted. If I am long, market is coming down, and if I am short, market is going up. And some people joke about this also, but in a lighter note only. I am not telling they are serious, but I will tell you one thing with confidence, that wherever the market goes or whatever happens, or even if my view goes wrong, I know exactly what to do. That is the amount of confidence, that is the amount of caliber I have. So you must understand these things. Jokes are apart, but things are different when it comes to trading. Trading is something a serious business, right? And the reason why we started sharing our profit and loss account is there are some genius outside, and they ask so many things what even my auditor is not asking. They ask contract note, how much is the capital, transaction details, all these things. So that was the reason I was showing, or I was sharing my profit and loss account. Otherwise, there is no necessity to show these things. And of course, there are many people, subscribers, who have motivated me, supported me, gave some positive vibes to me, and I really appreciate them. It is because of those people who motivated me I am here, and this channel is here. I am very much thankful to those people who supported me. And there are very much various geniuses also. They talk many things. They talk about my color. They tell I don't know to talk English. They tell I don't know to I say my voice is not clear. My hair is not straight. Everything they talk. And one guy even asked putting negative comments because my name is Umar. Seriously? So that's not a good thing to do. You come to my place and trying to embarrass me is not a good idea. So let them go. See, people, different type of people are here. We don't have to talk about them. Just let them go. So I again thank you for supporting me and doing all the things, and supporting me and giving me motivation. And the main reason why we were sharing this thing is because of these kind of second grade people, which I was just talking about. So at the end of this year, at the end of this financial year, we will come out with our profit and loss account, whatever we made, right? And one more thing I will tell you is that in the last 3 months, That is, whenever I started sharing my profit and loss account, till now we have made a profit of a return of 16% on the total capital deployed. Right? So if you calculate from the start of the year, from the 1st of April till now, we have made a profit of around 20% return on investment on total capital deployed. And my target is around 30 to 35%, and I have 7 or 8 more months to achieve that profit. That's just only 15 or till say 30%. I have to achieve a target of only 10%, and I have a span of 7 months. So in this 7 months anything can happen, and let's see how things pan out. So that is the reason we are not going to share anything, or we will share the profit and loss account at the end of this financial year. That's what I'm trying to say. And if you see, there is no necessity that you will have to make profit every month. And if I make profit every month without any loss, then seriously I am doing something big mistakes. That you have to understand. There is no single person in this world who doesn't make loss and who only makes profit. Then if he makes only profit, then he is lying that he doesn't make any losses. So there is no kind of person. Even if we are not making losses, we haven't made any profit also. This is a kind of neutral month. So that one thing you have to understand, right? So that is it. That's it. I want to convey this message to you, and thank you for watching. So hopefully from tomorrow we will post videos on a daily basis. And thank you for watching. Take care. Have a happy weekend. Bye.